The following names, dates, and locations are rooted in real historical events, but the storytelling is a product of my own imagination. I've crafted the storytelling this way to help people following along more easily, spark their interest, and deepen their understanding of the past. For Anahi, feeling tired didn't mean to stop working. It was only slowing the speed of her work and increasing the chance of getting yelled at, or worse. She still had to clean the entire house, garden the big property, cook for the family and its guests, and fold the mountain of clothes that were waiting for her. And after doing all of that, Anahi, 7 years old, might get the chance to go to school tomorrow. This was what they were telling her, since she was 5, since she was part of modern slavery in Haiti. In French, Restavek means to stay with. It refers to a system in Haiti from poor families that are sending their children to wealthiest families in hope of a better life for them. Unfortunately, it often leads to exploitation. Restavek children are between 5 years old and 15 years old. They are expected to cook, clean, fetch water, and rarely receive proper care and schooling. They often work in harsh working conditions, suffer physical abuse, and neglect. The term Restavek have a well-known misconception about its meaning. Many think Restavek is the short term of Reste avec ton maître, which means stay with your master, due to severe exploitations that they often suffer from. Restavek actually refers to the children staying with the family that is now taking care of them. Even though a lot of people are not agreeing on the term modern slavery, defending the cultural aspect and differences from more Occidental countries explained by the, and I quote, work of young children by helping their families for domestic activities, everyone recognizes the immoral exploitation and work of those children. The roots of this arrangement come from the colonial era of Haiti, when an uneven and rigid class system and the institution of slavery shaped social structures of the country. After its independence, the system of child domestic labor evolved as a response to extreme poverty and inequality. Although, in 2007, Haiti passed a law aimed at protecting children from exploitation and abuse. The law specifically sought to address the plight of Restavek children and combat human trafficking. The law is called Loi sur la lutte contre la traite des personnes, which means Law on the fight against human trafficking. Those exploited children in domestic servitude are not always sent to an unknown family. It often includes other family members, neighbors, or family friends. Despite the physical dangerousness of working that much for bodies that are not fully developed in harsher conditions, the children often suffer from physical and mental violences, along with sexual abuse. The children Restavek are unfortunately, for now, a deeply ingrained social issue that is still happening today in modern day Haiti, largely due to systematic poverty and lack of social support for vulnerable families. As a result, the exploitation of Restavek children persists. While the law to abolish it exists on paper, its practical impact has been limited without sustained political will and social change. It has been said that today around 150,000 Restavek are in Haiti, according to studies conducted a few years ago. Unfortunately, the number of Restavek and human trafficking have probably increased since the start of the ongoing situation that is ravaging Haiti today.